going on, you guys? Matthew here, back with another video. And today we are now eating here at Icebergs, located at Santana Grove in Parañaque City. Okay guys, so our food just arrived. Right over here is their Lechon Kawali. So their Lechon Kawali comes with the Lechon Kawali itself. It also comes with rice, the sauce, and papaya salad. Okay guys, let's now try the Lechon Kawali. Wow, the Lechon Kawali is really delicious. That Lechon Kawali is actually really good. The meat itself is very juicy and tender, and the skin is very crispy. Over here we have the sauce for the Lechon Kawali. Here it is. Wow, that sauce is really good as well. And for my drink, I decided to get their mango strawberry shake. Let's now try their mango strawberry shake. That shake is really good.